Genius Kids. Cultivating love for learning.
Lesson 10. Articles and Determiners. Knowledge acquisition. Determiners are words that are used before nouns to determine or fix their meanings. Examples: a pen, his house, this car, some toys. Difference between adjective and determiner. Determiner is also kind of adjective. The only difference between the two is that an adjective is a word that qualifies a noun. A determiner is a word that determines or limits the noun that follows it. Determiners are of many kinds. Kinds of determiners: possessive, articles, demonstratives, distributives, interrogatives, quantifiers. Articles. There are two types of articles. 1. Definite articles. The. 2. Indefinite articles. A and. Use of indefinite articles. Article A is used before singular countable noun which begins with a consonant sound. Examples: a boy, a girl, a pen, a teacher, etc. Article an is used before singular countable noun which begins with a vowel sound. Examples: an egg, an orange, an empty vessel, etc. A is used before consonant sound: a monkey, a bat, a joker, a girl, a table, a lion, a chair, a child. A book, a doctor, a woman, a man. An is used before vowel sound. An ox, an ostrich, an eye, an elephant, an ear, an apple, an onion, an ice cream, an umbrella, an orange. Use of definite article. Definite article that is used before superlatives. Examples: the oldest tree, the hottest month. Before abbreviations. Examples: the UK, the UNICEF, the ICC. Before an adjective to represent a class of persons. Examples: the rich, the poor, the needy. Before a surname, in plural form, to denote a family. Examples: the Kashyap, Mr. and Mrs. Kashyap and children. The Birlas, the Tatas. Before the names of races or nations. Examples: the English, the French, the Chinese. Before unique objects. Examples: the sun, the moon, the earth, the sky, the universe. Before directions. Examples: the east, the west, the north, the south. Before the names of rivers, forests, valleys, seas, oceans, deserts. Examples: the Ganga, the Himalayas, the Indian Ocean, the Sahara. Before the names of news and sacred books. Examples: the Vedas, the Ramayana, the Bible, the Quran. When singular noun is used to indicate a whole class. Example: the dog is a faithful animal. When we refer to a particular person or thing. Example: this is the house which my father bought in India. 1. Possessives. Possessives are adjectives that show someone's possessions such as my, her, his, its, their and our. They are also used as determiners. Examples: my book, his water, her bag. 2. Demonstratives. Demonstratives are words like this, that, these and those which points out to persons or objects close by or at a distance. Examples: 1. That chair is not polished well. 2. This hill has big rocks and a waterfall. 3. Distributive. Distributive are those determiners that show distribution. They include words like either, neither, each and every. Their uses are as follows. 1. Each. It is used with a singular verb when a limited number of persons or things are considered individually with emphasis on the individual. Example, each player of the Indian team played his best. 2. Every, it is used with a singular verb when a large number of persons or things are considered individually. Example, every student must bring his textbook tomorrow. 3. Either, it is used with a singular verb meaning any one of the two or each of the two. Examples, 1. You can take either of the books. Any of the two books. 2. High-rise buildings are being built on either side of the highway. On both the sides. 4. Neither, it is used with a singular verb, meaning not one or the other. Example, neither book explains the topic in detail. 4. Interrogative, determiners that help ask questions are what, whose, which, how much and how many. They are called interrogatives. Examples, 1. How much money do you need? 2. Whose house is this? 5. Quantifies. Quantifies are those determiners that tell us something about number or quantity. Such words as many, much, most, cardinal number, 1, 2, and none are examples of quantifies. Examples, many trees, some books, any idea, etc. Remember, many and a few are used with countable nouns. Many suggest number and a few suggest quantity. Much and little suggest quantity are used with uncountable nouns. Some and any both suggest number and quantity. Some is generally used in affirmative sentences, and any is normally used in interrogative and negative sentences.
Like, share, and subscribe.